Mesh finishing, avoid edge rolling. Sharp edges are critical in mold and die manufacturing. Traditional toolpaths can sometimes smooth or round these edges unintentionally, which can compromise the part's functionality. To overcome this, ModuleWorks has introduced advanced edge handling capabilities, ensuring the toolpath avoids crossing over the edge, maintaining the original sharp geometry. This new enhancement improves machining strategies such as constant Z, parallel cuts, constant cusp, and project curves by extending edge rolling suppression to 3D contact point boundary toolpaths. This improvement reduces the risk of unwanted edge rounding for more consistent, high-quality mold and die production.